For some reason, the lightning is green. It's kind of odd and scary. And the wind is really picking up. And we're supposed to have a very bad storm. Not at all. Can't see anything on camera. Oh, and we have rain. Oh, crap. Your feet are getting wet. My cat's like, what's going on? No, look. Storm. Ooh, that was a good one. Oh, this is going to be fun tonight. It's green. I told you, it was green. I was making some vines earlier, and I was like, oh God, why is the lightning green? Why is the lightning green? I don't understand. I have to look it up later. Ooh, it is right above us now. I don't know if you can see anything on camera. We're gonna lose power. I can tell it. Ooh. Ooh. I can hear my parents inside. Ooh. That scared me. Oh, it's the truck. Oh, it's the truck with the lights. Hello. I hate that truck. I really do. It comes by here every night. Ooh. Ooh.
We haven't seen Happy Good because you're never gonna get off that beach. Just before you never got into the NHL. Jackass.
Man.
Breathe that way.
Relax, Bob. There is no way that you could have been as bad at hockey as you are at golf.
All right, let's go. You like that, old man? You want a piece of me?
I want a piece of you. I want the whole thing.
Those sound effects, though.
Now you're gonna get it, Bobby.
Come on, Sean, you can do it. There we go.
The price is wrong, bitch.
Best line ever.